Magpapalagay kami ng metal roof dito sa maliit na bahay. Yan. Ito na yung materials nila. Lalagay mo na nila yung wood na yan bago nilagay yung metal roof na yun. Bilis, oh. Kanina lang sila nag-start. 8 o'clock sila nag-start eh. Pati yung sa garage na ito, gagawin din nila yan. Yan, oh. Bilis nila, oh. Tatlo sila gumagawa. Makapal din yung ano to, bali 1/4 ang lapad, oh. Diyan nila papako yung i-screw nila dito yung metal roofing. Ayun, oh. Ayan, oh, ganda, oh. Ito naman yung metal roofing sa ilalim. Ito naman yung pang screw nila. Yan, oh. 1.5 inch. Ito naman yung ang gamit nila, oh. Puro battery operated. Ito yung lalagyan nila dun sa ano, sa may exhaust. Tapos ito yung pang working nila. Ayos. Try nga natin umakyat. Kaya natin to. Ayan. Yes! It's good! Good, my friend.
Yes.
It's good.
The roof leaked. Yeah.
There's a leak there.
You put.
Yeah, I did it before. I went here on the roof, that area there. Ito yung pagkagawa nila. Dito ipapako yung screw yung roof. This one too. Pwede nila yan. Are you gonna put exhaust also?
Yes.
Where? On the top? Exhaust. This one, you remove, right?
Which one?
Ventilation.
It's ventilation.
All under roof ventilation.
Oh, yeah. With drop ventilation, yeah, okay. Where in the middle there?
In the middle.
No, I mean,
Exhaust vent.
no, I mean this roof, right? Ventilation.
Yes.
So where you gonna put that?
We do rich cap. Here is rich ventilation.
Oh, okay, yeah. That's good.
Don't need to install
Caps.
caps.
Yeah, okay.
It's looking ugly first, and the metal tile is very good for rich ventilation.
Okay, yeah.
No worries about it.
Yep. Thank you. Ito yung backyard. Laki pa to. Halos na sa 1,002 square meter ito. Pasok tayo sa loob. Tingnan natin yung basement. Ito yung dating paupahan namin to, pero ito yung kitchen. Tutulog yata sila. Ito tayo sa basement. Dito yung mga tenant. Kasi paupahan ito eh. Oh, nakalock. Ito yung laundry. Ginagawa nga ito ngayon. Ayaw mabas yung heat kaya ginagawa. Mamaya gagawin technician yan. Okay. Kaya pa tayo ulit. Kwarto yan. Ito number 1. Number 3. Number 4. Okay. Magandang weather ngayon, no? Ito yung aircon dito sa harap. Centralized aircon to eh. Centralized din yung heater niya. Okay. Okay. Salamat sa panonood nyo. Ito sa maliit na kubo. Lagay kami ng metal roof. Yan yung contractor sa taas. Yun o. Okay. Thank you.